This video is to show you a way to shape a sharp, durable edge. This is the initial edge of this knife on this platform, and the apex, the edge here, is roughly grounded by using the belt grinder. So what I'm going to do is, we'll flatten the apex to be more even. I'm using the 8000 CBN stone, basically. So I would gently let's take a quick look. Fairly flat. Look like maybe a couple more rub. We'll produce an edge for fixed blade, basically EDC or kitchen knife and things like that. Basically, this is this is a way for the EDC edge. Kitchen knife will be a little bit. All right, the reason to flatten out so that there are less undulation, and also remove all the impact from the belt that kind of weaken the steel, already micro crack the apex. About 12 degrees precise, and with the 18 degree also micro bevel. The micro bevel there not because for intent to minimize the apex deflection, because that's what I found is a major factor for edge failure. So anyway, so that's what I'm doing, and now this is my new, anyway, you zero out right here on the arm, close enough, and then you got a degree here. And zero out, and it's wrong angle, zero out, and it's about almost 12 degrees precise, 11 something. And look, I usually freehand, but we're doing this fixed angle, and this is pretty acute. And also right now, the heel right here not being sharpened, but that's okay. We'll demonstrate the actual edge that got created, and we'll go from there. And this is a 800 grit diamond, fairly new blade plate, so that's why using the 800. The 800 of the new diamond plate is probably, if it's aggressive, maybe it's equal to close to the 400. I can actually check the apex here using this look pretty rough. And look like some of the diamond thing here is pretty aggressive. So there's gonna be a lot of burr forming. Yeah, right now the edge have a lot of burr and things like that, but I will kind of clean it out right now. And I was just going to jump to 18 degrees psi. I haven't used them, and this is my probably second time using this sharpening. And I'm just going to jump right into like 3000 grit. And it's probably still quite aggressive. And I'm going to raise it to, let me reset from this angle here so I can actually see what's going on. And we raise it to alright, good enough, 17 degrees psi. So I raise it up. This thing here while the zero angle still fine. I'm aggressively doing this. I mean, most of the time I'm just looking for a doable edge. It's not looking for, right now I'm not going to super gentle to produce a super refined and flawless edge. We see if this edge from here to here is doable. It's pretty good. Thickness behind the edge here, probably pretty thin. It's below 10,000 of an inch for sure. Computer power cord. I'm going to do we'll do this cut and then a push cut. That was not good to tear sideways like that, but this push cut right where the red mark is, bamboo. Basically push cut. This is the edge after test. You can see the red marker, the almost 12 degrees precise shaping here, and this is the micro bevel at 17 degrees precise. The edge here I have a little ripple, tiny bit, but overall it's really intact, basically. So for this level of kind of really hard use, this geometry hold. For the this edge right here, the steel is CPM 15V at 67 Rockwell.